What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to go over Chainlink. I'm going to tell you where I think how low it may go, how high it may go in 2025, and also basically I'm going to try to give you a little forecast of what it may or may not look like. So I hope you guys like this. I'm really bullish on Chainlink. I'll see you in the future. So what we're looking at is the Chainlink USD chart. And so I want to start here back in 2018. This circle here where I'm at, this is where I believe that we are right now. And as you can see, we came down and we were in this channel, these two yellow lines. We were in this channel for a very long time. This green line here is a 0.2361 Fibonacci. Okay. So if we go to the future, if we go to the present, where we're at now, 2022, again, we're on the 0.2361 Fibonacci. We're in a channel. And I believe from now until February 2023, we may end up falling. We can stay here and bounce up, or we can bounce down and fall in between this lower channel, which is going to be from $4.55 up to around $6. And this is going to be or maybe up until April of 2023. So we have three scenarios. So let me just go over this real quick. We have three scenarios. The best scenario would be that we hit this line here and we bounce up around February 2023. The second scenario would be we bounce under the 0.2361 Fibonacci and we hit the support line and we stay in this area right here up until around May of 2023 before we bounce up. The third scenario, which is most likely happened in the past, so it's between these two scenarios, I think is what's most likely going to happen, is we bounce under here and we stay here until around August of 2023 before we make our way up. Okay. So we have three scenarios that can happen. This one is running out soon already. So already, if you guys like this information, hit that like and subscribe. I just told you how soon I think we might bounce out. Now, let's go over the next thing that might happen, okay? So what I'm going to do is I want to show you that when we went from around 0.2361 Fibonacci, is around here to here, we made around a 20-something thousand% return. Let me write that out for you real quick. So let's go to, we'll go from the 0.2361 Fibonacci, which is going to be very high. So we're looking at a 4,246 return. Obviously, that's not as low as it could have been, but just to make things simple, I'm just going to show you what it would look like if we went from the 0.236 Fibonacci somewhere around here. As you can see, this line, it goes up and kind of moves, right? It doesn't quite move straight, right? So anywhere between here. So we're looking at, if we did the same numbers as before, okay, we're looking at around $200, $300 Chainlink. Now, let me give you my reality situation. I believe that we'll do around an $80 to $116 Chainlink, which would give us around a 1,200. Let's see, at the low, it would be around 1,000, around 1,500% return. Is what I believe that Chainlink will do in reality. I would love it to go that high, but I don't think that's going to happen. But if it does, then wonderful. Let me show you guys what the past looked like. Okay, so I'm going to bring this up here. This is Chainlink. Okay, let me pull this out. This is Chainlink. Once it passed the 0.23 Fibonacci, the 0.236 Fibonacci. So as you can see, Chainlink was on this line and then fell underneath it. Now let me show you where we're at, where this comes from. So that those blue candles are from here up. This line, this point right here up. Okay. So in my opinion, we may have some time to go before we hit this resistance line. Either we drop down and we hang out here and then we go up, or we come up here and we go back up. So I just wanted to give you guys this information. I told you how high I think it could go. In reality, from $80 to about $116. I told you that it can go up to around $254 to $300 if we do the same thing we did in 2018, which is very unlikely to me. And I believe that the low would be at the lowest, we can touch around $2.18 at the worst case scenario, which was pretty much what happened in 2018. But we also could hover around $4.40 all the way up until around May 2023. All right. So I hope you guys like this information. Hit that like and subscribe if you did. And I'll see you guys in the future.